I'm gonna do a video today where I'm going to organize all of my Etsy stuff. I've opened a store called MysticArtGuild, and I've actually had a couple sales. Pretty exciting. I'm really excited about it. But anyway, I've got stuff all over this house that has to do with making my jewelry and bookmarks and surfboard keychains and everything else I'm making. And I need to get it organized. It's driving me crazy. It's all over the place. So I'm going to show you what it looks like right now. And then I'm going to go to Target. I've got some bins ordered and a cart. And I'm going to put that stuff together and then get everything ready to go. I'm looking around now just thinking, oh my goodness. And our cleaning lady comes tomorrow. So I have got to get everything up and out of here. So stay tuned to see my progress. Hi friends, I wanted to show you the finished product after I got finished putting my Etsy supplies into the places that I wanted them for organizational purposes. It turned out really, really cute. So I just did a little spin there so you could see the rest of my closet behind me. I just wanted to update you and show you what I ended up doing. Take a look at my little sheep I styled here in her visor. Anyway, my kid's coming, so I'll show you in just a second. This is another little pile that I made. Those are my Etsy receipts, and then just my shipping supplies, and then under that is where I keep extra toiletries. I have so much junk. I know it looks like I just have stuff everywhere. These are my pajamas right beside. I took out, this is like where I had a little corner shelf that was pretty much useless, but Walmart has these little 3-drawer things to keep things in. I guess they're storage, 3-drawer storage. So I'm gonna label them, but this drawer is extra notebooks. This drawer is extra bags and glasses cases, and then this one's from Walmart, and it actually turns into a backpack. It's really cute. Excuse my dogs, I don't know what their issue is at the moment. And then this one is just extra little boxes that I can keep things for Etsy. And I also have a bin of extra storage boxes in my basement, just from cleaning stuff out. I had extra. And then I bought this little tray with the toucans on it from Walmart too, to put on top so it looks a little bit cuter. And then I just have stuff to take care of my clothes up here and some cute little note cards. This is an extra light I got at Dollar Tree. It's actually really bright. I use it for pictures. And then I use this little chair for a photo prop for the surfboard car charms that I sell, which actually are selling. I've sold a couple of them, and my store's only been open for a week, so hopefully I'll get some reviews soon. And then I just have a little decoration, a couple candles, and a place to put my coffee, because this is where I steam my card I put together last night. There's my yoga mat, and I do keep it out. My husband's, one of his shoe racks, he is a fashionista, because he's a dude just like me. So we have a huge closet, and then we have overflow into our, I guess this is our little mud room, extra room, and then our laundry room is in here, and then our closet's here. So I love the layout of our house. The builder actually lived in it, so he did a nice job of making sure we have plenty of room for storage and things. And then this is our room. That's one of his band's posters, the Carlsons. I'll get up closer. It's very cool. They design their own posters, and they have kind of like a circus theme for their branding, and I think it's so awesome. I always frame and hang up their posters. They're so cool. And then we have this mask that's supposed to be good luck, and I just put a little shelf under it with like some of my lotions and stuff and some pillow sprays at night. And then there's my little end table thing, bedside table, and then Jason's matches mine. He's always using nose spray, so he's got that there. And then here's the card I put together last night. It's from Target. It snapped together, I'm telling you, in less than 5 minutes. The sides snap together with no tools, and then you just screw in the bins, which are a nice size, you can see. So up here I have my toolkit for making my jewelry and some extra pins, and this is actually a light for, ooh, it always falls off, for my camera on my phone for when I take Etsy pictures. And then this is my planner and some notebooks. I just got this one a few days ago. Actually, I got two, one for work and one for here. It's from the brand, a nice brand, what is it called? Clementine. And it is so freaking cute. It's from, I got it at Home Goods, not Home Goods. And then I got this one that I think is so pretty. Our brand is Pastel at Office Max. And then this is pastel colored tag board that I'm going to make thank you notes with. This is my computer for work. We're getting a new one this year. We're getting a Surface Pro, but we're allowed to keep our laptops too. So I'm a school counselor, if you haven't watched my other videos. Then I got these little notebooks at Home Goods too. I just love Home Goods, so I'm saving those for later. I always keep a notepad on my desk. And then I got these at Walmart. I just love llamas and cactuses. I know they're just trendy right now, but these are just little note thingies. It says no prop llama. I know it's cheesy, but I love it. So, and it came with a pen that I haven't opened up yet. Speaking of pens, I'm obsessed with these new markers they have at Target. I've only found them at Target, but they're Sharpie notes, and they have this tip that can go skinny or fat, but it's not bullet. It's not one of those bullet tips. It's more like a chisel. I don't know if you can see it very well. It's like a chisel tip, and they are so cool. I have two sets actually jammed in there because I was using it so much. They were already starting to die on me. But they don't sink through. I actually wrote my list there, my to-do list for the day with them, and it didn't sink through. And I have these adorable little trays that I got. There's a toucan under there. I actually got them at Kroger, our grocery store. I have a bigger one over here under my candles, and those are blue light glasses and some hand sanitizer and tape dispenser from the Dollar Tree and some candles and these little cord holders I also got at Home Goods just yesterday. They're still there if you want to look. Anyway, and then this little desk lamp I love. I use it when I do my nails. It's from Dollar Tree. They have the best little lights, and they're so cute, and it like moves any way you want it to move. And these flowers are from Target from the beginning of summer. And this pencil holder is from Amazon. And then I also have this little note block that I usually use for my to-do list, but I was watching TV when I made mine last night on this notebook. I just love, obviously, tropical designs. And this one is from, I believe I got this one at Meijer or Target, one of the two. It's Top Flight, so it could have been either. Anyway, back to my cart. This is my jewelry making stuff. This bin is the strings, or I also use, like, sometimes I put things on chain, or I also have cord, like wax cord and stretchy cord in there. This is a little, I'm trying to get this where it's lit better, but this is a little mat I put down when I'm using super glue on my desk. It was $1 at the Dollar Tree, so I just keep that in there. And this is a little container filled with like kawaii charms I use to make earrings and necklaces and things. And these are my most used beads, like my letter beads and jump rings and things to make keychains and all that good stuff. This box has extra things for my planner and like thank you cards for when I sell Poshmark. And the one beneath it has extra paper for my planner and extra stickers and things like that. This one has stickers too. I love planner stickers. And then that's my gel nail kit that doesn't live there, but I'm about to do my nails today, so I have it out. And in my drawers, I just organized yesterday. I have sleep medicine, and then these are clips, and then these are pins and washi tape and bunny clips, and then big pink paper clips. I love them, they're so cute. And then this is the screwdriver for my cart. That's all I needed was a screwdriver, and then one of those weird shaped little screwdrivers, like L-shaped ones. I forget what they're called. Anyway, and I kept the extra hardware just in case. I probably won't keep it forever if it stays together, and hopefully it will. And then this is just pins that aren't pastel. I only keep the pastel-y ones out because that's my aesthetic, is pastel. I love it so much. And then these are markers that I really, really love that I just keep in a bag. They're probably my favorite markers, those and the Sharpies. They're these click art ones. They're by the same zebra, the same people who do the mile liners, but they're markers that click and they don't dry up. And I have the brights. They don't have pastels, but they have the regular colors on Amazon too. I'm gonna get them at Joann's though, because they do have them there, and I have a good coupon, good for tomorrow. Today's the 4th of July, so I'm gonna go tomorrow and use that. This is just some other markers. I think these are the ones I got at Target that they're supposed to smell good. And then I have the happy colors of the Stabilio. I think they're 68, but I bought the happy colors off of Amazon, and they're really pretty. Here's another one. Some more of those. I should probably put those out too, because I don't use them nearly enough being in here. This is what I do. I'm always trying to work on what works best for me and what I need to have out. I also really like these Bic Intensity markers. If you haven't tried those, they're really good too. I always want to write with a marker. I don't know why. And then these I've ordered 2 sets of off of Amazon too. They are called Super Pens by Monami. So I guess they're probably a Japanese brand, but they are great. I love them. I use them all the time too. And I ordered a set that I just keep in this little bag that I got at Target. You can tell everything I own is from Target or Amazon pretty much. So they just look like that. I like their stripes on them. And for some reason I feel like that makes them look retro. Maybe it doesn't, I don't know. Anyway, that's that drawer. And that's me and my husband's little stamp I used for like a thank you or to send our wedding invitations. And then this drawer beside, it's like I don't have much drawer space, so I try to be careful with it. This is just like extra cords for my phone, some oils, essential oils, credit cards that I don't take with me all the time, alcohol wipes to clean my phone. This is an extra, phone charger for the road, a little fan that goes into my my iPhone, and then this is the Apple headphones that I've never used. I have AirPods that I just got. They're doing a back to school special right now. If you get the iPad Pro, you get free AirPods, or you can upgrade to like wireless charging AirPods for like $50 if you're a teacher or work in a school. So I got my daughter an iPad Pro, me and her dad and stepdad, for her birthday, because she's an artist and she's going to start making like prints and bookmarks for our Etsy shop. She's already making bookmarks. They're pretty cool. And so I got free AirPods. And then this is my sticker, like my stickers for my planner are in here. It matches my planner, which is from Hobby Lobby. This is just a little notebook that I write in from Target. So cute. This one's from Target too. I use it to take notes about my store, mostly optimization of my SEO. And then that is just a notebook I got at Target. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Have a great day. Happy 4th. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.